The Earth is not just a planet, but a home. Living organisms dwell in it. They find habitat in its immense, interconnected, and dynamically interactive bodies of land and sea. Their communities have made it an ecosphere, a world of worlds called biomes. What are biomes? They are large swaths of land, sea, and atmosphere made up of ecosystems. Climate, physical composition, and specific types of species distinguish each of them. Biomes are living landscapes of the planet, lying at the base of every food chain. They are organized by kinds of animals and plants. Major ones are the Arctic tundra, the coniferous forest or taiga, deciduous forest, grasslands, desert, aquatic environment, and rainforest. Let's briefly examine five of them. The Arctic tundra is a vast region where the sun reaches at its weakest. Its frigid temperatures hinder growth of trees. There are months when the sun shines below the horizon. Evenings are 24 hours a day during this period. The region is located along the northernmost ends of the planet, stretching throughout the territories of Canada, the United States, Greenland, and Russia. It is a land of white beauty, under snow most of the year. The biome allows only short growing seasons. The land is treeless, the climate is cold and windy, and rainfall scarce. The coniferous forest or boreal forests lie below the Arctic. They cover an area of 1.5 billion hectares. The biome is also called the taiga, a dark sea of cone-shaped evergreen trees with scale or needle-like leaves. It contains the world's oldest species of timber, better adapted to cold and dry climate compared to the broadleaf trees and more experienced in surviving harsh weather conditions. The taiga includes the northern halves of North America and Europe, including the cold heartland of eastern Russia. The region has long winters with moderate to high annual precipitation. Its northern Eurasian portion comprises the circumpolar ecosystems of boreal forests, multiple lakes, bogs, and rivers. Deserts are arid and largely barren lands. They have been called the bones of the planet, for their skin of vegetation has been peeled dry by endless sunshine and drought. The region is an expanse of bare earth that draws a precipitation of less than 10%. Moisture evaporates faster than it receives water. Every continent throughout the planet has deserts. The biome is the largest by land area, covering 20% or one-fifth of the Earth, and strung around the globe from end to end, from the Sahara to Gobi, the Sonoran, and Arabian Desert. It is an open country with scarce or no flora because of the lack of water. The aquatic environment comprises the largest portion of the globe. It covers three-fourths of the planet's surface. The biome is characterized by salinity, varying availability of light, and varying temperatures. More than 70% of the Earth are marine waters. This is divided into coral reefs, estuaries, and oceans. Coral reefs spread all over the aquatic world. Marine animals such as sponges, sea anemones, turtles, squids, and fishes breed and live in and around them. The open ocean is the largest connected series of ecosystems on the planet. It is home to schools of fishes, sea turtles, dolphins, whales, sharks, and exotic organisms that live in dark, cold regions. About 3% of the aquatic biome is fresh water. This includes rivers and streams, lakes, and wetlands. Rainforests encircle the warm equatorial regions of the planet. They form an immense belt of the oldest ecosystems that have survived for 70 million years. These ecosystems are bulwarks of astonishing biodiversity and home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species. They cover only 6% of the Earth's surface but host millions of species. A rainforest is a zone of dense jungles that receive high amount of rainfall, from 200 to 1,000 centimeters per year. The biome is so warm and moist, it produces as much as 75% of rain through evaporation and transpiration. Rainforests are under constant heat and rain. They are known for their mostly evergreen, tall, and broadleaf trees. The sun's rays hit straight on at all periods of the year. Thus, temperatures steady between 21 degrees and 30 degrees Celsius. The intense solar radiation produces an average humidity of 77% to 88%. So there you are, in worlds we barely pay attention to. Without them, humans could not have appeared on the planet. Without the ecosphere, there could not have been historical, social development, and civilization to speak of.